What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to install and use browser on your Google TV. Now over here is my Google TV, and first and foremost, if you're looking at installing the Google Chrome browser into your Google TV, then I'm really sorry because the Google Chrome browser is currently not available on the App Store or Google Play Store of the Google TV. So for instance, if you come over to this search bar over here and just go ahead and search for Chrome, you can see basically from the screen over here that there is actually no Google Chrome browser. But interestingly, there are tons of other browsers that are available on the Google TV that you can actually install and use on the TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best browsers you can actually get on your Google TV and show you how to install and use it on the TV. So to install a browser on your Google TV, you just want to come over to this search input field over here again, and then you want to go ahead and search for TV Bro. Now, this TV Bro is actually a browser and it works perfectly well with your Google TV. And over here, you can literally see the TV Bro browser app. So just go ahead and click on it. And then just press on the install button over here to download and install this TV Bro browser into your Google TV. Now, it's going to take a minute or two depending on your internet speed to fully install into the TV. Now, once the app is done installing, you can go ahead and open it up by just clicking on the open button over here. And basically, this is how the TV Bro browser interface looks like. Now, like I said before, this browser is so powerful and I really think it has all of the features you will probably find in popular browsers like the Google Chrome and Firefox browser. Now, to use this browser, what you just want to do from the top over here, you want to head over to this input field over here and then go ahead and search for anything or even type any URL into the input field. So I can go ahead and search for Facebook, and then just go ahead and click on the search input field over here, and now it uses Google as its default browser and is going to give you results of Facebook from Google. Now, there are other interesting things that actually comes with this particular browser. For instance, if you click on the back button on your remote control, it is going to bring out this top menu over here, and from here you can go ahead and do voice searches on your browser, and you can actually download APKs or music or videos from the internet, and then you're going to find your downloads over here. Also, you can actually go to the incognito mode and then just use the browser in such a way that your information will not be stored on the browser while browsing. Now, these are just a few of the interesting features that actually comes with this browser. Now, finally, if you come over to the home of your Google TV and then just scroll down just like so, on the list of apps over here, you can literally see the TV Bro browser we just downloaded and installed into our Google TV. So basically, that is how to install and use browser on your Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.